Kate here with WTI, and this dish drying mat from LOPNUR has been such a game changer for me. What I love especially about this mat is its size. I am known for piling my dishes so high. It's like a game of Jenga every time I wash the dishes. So having a nice large space to be able to spread out the dishes to dry is so helpful. Now this is a thick mat. It has a faux leather top and then a rubber bottom, so it stays nicely in place. It's super absorbent, so as the water drips off the dishes, it absorbs nicely into the mat to keep the majority of the water off your counter. It's really easy to clean. You can just scrub it up by hand and hang it to dry. If it gets really saturated with water, you just wring it out. I love how easy this is to tuck away when I'm not using it. Now this not only can be used for drying dishes, but you could use it as a mat under your appliances, or it even has some heat resistant properties. Lots of purposes for this one mat, and I know they come in different sizes as well, or you can cut them to fit whatever size you need. For us, this was the perfect solution. I'm really happy with it, and that's my point of view.